Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now in this particular video, we are just going to be talking about something that every trader needs, and that is trend clarity. All right, we're going to be talking about trend clarity, and that's exactly what the trend finder indicator for TradingView delivers. Okay, so we're going to be looking at the trend finder indicator. Okay, the trend finder indicator is what we are going to be analyzing in this video. Okay, when you look at a chart, one of the biggest questions is, where is the market going? Right? Is it trending up, trending down, or just ranging? Making that distinction early and accurately is the difference between a strong trade and a missed opportunity. So this trend finder indicator was designed to solve that problem. All right. So here's how it works. Yeah. The indicator scans the price action in real time using momentum based logic, moving averages, and price structure to determine the dominant trend. Then it visually marks the trend direction, often using color coded lines, background highlights or directional arrows. So you instantly know what side of the market to be on. Now, this particular trend finder indicator that we're analyzing in this video, you can see that when it is a bullish trend, the color is going to be green. When there is bearish momentum, the color is going to be red. Okay. In addition to that, it also paints the candlesticks. When there is prevailing bullish momentum, the candlesticks are going to be painted green. All right. When there is prevailing bearish momentum, you're going to see that the candlesticks are going to be painted red. All right. So there is no more second guessing. Okay. Let's say you are trading Forex on the 4-hour chart. You load up the trend finder indicator and it shows a strong uptrend like what we are seeing now. You notice that the indicator line is green and the the candlesticks are already being painted green as well. So that is obvious that it is a buy trend. All right, that's obvious that it is a bullish trend. There is bullish momentum prevailing in the market at the time. So you're going to be looking for buying opportunities. All right, you can be looking out for pullbacks. After a pullback and you get a confirmation candlestick pattern, you can rush in and enter a buy trade. Ensure that you always get your confirmation first. Then you can go ahead to enter a buy trade. All right, so enter your buy trade, you set your stop loss and your take profit levels accordingly. All right. So if it flips and signals a downtrend, maybe along the line, you notice that the indicator has now flipped to the downside, the indicator line, and is now showing red. And the candlesticks have started painting red. If you are in a buy trade formally, you can then decide to exit your buy trade. All right. But if you are not in a buy trade and maybe the indicator is, maybe you're not in a buy trade and the indicator flashes a sell signal, then it can be an opportunity to enter a sell trade. Ensure you always get a confirmation first. It's very important. Get your confirmation and then you can enter a sell. Stop loss above the previous swing high. Take profit can actually be around support zones. But if you do not have a good risk to reward ratio, just do not enter the trade. Just like this example. But in this buy example, because it's a bullish trend, and that is the reason why I'm going to recommend trading in the direction of the trend. All right. If it's a bullish trend, you get your buy signals from the line, which is showing green, and indicators are being painted green as well. Once you have confirmed the move, you can enter a buy trade, stop loss below the recent swing low, take profit can be around key resistance zones, and you are good to go. So this tool is also incredibly helpful in avoiding bad trades during sideways movement. If the market is ranging, the indicator, let's just look for a good example. When market is ranging, because this indicator is better used in a trending market. All right. So when you have a ranging market and the indicator is just moving with short distances, you can see, unlike when the indicator rises to the top, falls to the bottom, rises back to the top, and all of that. If the indicator reduces the distance of its movement, it shows a phase of consolidation, just like what was happening here. It shows a period of consolidation. So when you notice the indicator moving sideways, it means that there's a period of consolidation. And of course, you're going to see that price will be moving sideways, the candlesticks. All right. So you want to stay out of the market during periods of consolidations. Okay. One of the best ways to use this indicator is as a trend confirmation tool. Okay. You can use this indicator across all markets: Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and it works on all time frames. Scalpers can use it on the 1 minute to 5 minute charts, and while swing traders can actually apply it on the 1 hour and even 4 hours charts, right? Or even the daily charts, right? So the flexibility makes it a powerful addition to almost any strategy. Okay. So if you have been struggling to catch the right direction, or you have been getting whipsawed in ranging conditions, this indicator might be exactly what you need to tighten up your edge. All right. Ensure that you do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. Ensure that you do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. Make sure that you observe good risk to reward ratios. All right. And do not risk more than 1% to 2% of your account balance in a single trade. All right. So this is a very straightforward indicator that you can start applying right now. Ensure you test this indicator on a demo account first before you apply it to real market conditions. No complicated settings, no fluff, just a clean, reliable view of the market trend. Okay. So if you've been struggling to catch the right direction, or you've been getting whipsawed in ranging conditions, this indicator might actually be worth adding to your trading toolkit. So give it a try, see how it fits into your trading, and use it to stay aligned with the dominant market momentum. If this video gave you value, do me a quick favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want more TradingView indicators, breakdowns, and strategy guides every single day. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay disciplined, trade smart, and always follow the trend.